In this week's episode, we are going to be uploading a file to S3 via the command line interface for Amazon Web Services. A very uploading files to S3, one of the most common practices, as well as setting up an EC2 instance. We haven't went through that. We've done it before on this channel. We haven't gone through that officially. So we are going, but today we'll do it eventually. But today we're going to be just doing a simple listing out of the buckets and uploading a file to S3, just so that you can start getting the hang of how to interact with these cloud providers. We'll eventually do it for Microsoft Azure, for Google Cloud Platform, but that is the plan. All right, so welcome to another episode of Software Expressions, Concept and Overviews, hosted by your truly Tech Coach Ralph, where we are engineers to win. Like I said, we're going to be uploading a file. We're going to be using our Kali Linux installation that we've been using on our ethical hacking live streams, but we're going to be using that to upload to S3. So let's just jump right into it. Let's get to it. All right. So basically, before we can actually upload to the S3 using the AWS CLI, we're going to look at some high level commands that in order for us to be able to find our bucket, and then we will be able to actually, find the bucket and then upload to the bucket. All right. So let's take a quick look at the command for uploading for uploading. So we are going to need, so we already did all this, like setting up the CLI and stuff like that, but we're going to need a file to upload, and we are going to need, we already have a bucket. We created the bucket before manually, but we can also, let's create another bucket. Let's do that. Let's create another bucket as well. So AWS S3 MB for make bucket, and then the target, we're going to give, that's going to be the name of the bucket that we're going to create. And then what we can do, we can log into our AWS console to see that the bucket was actually created. And then we're going to list the bucket. So AWS S3 LS, and then list your buckets. And then we would go into, let's see, I think it's called a put object, where we would be uploading a file to our bucket. Use the S3 to copy objects from one bucket to a local directory. And if we want to move it from a local directory to a S3 bucket, we would, let's see, the sync object would say synchronize the content of a bucket and a directory. Nope. Let me see. Where is that? So copy command to S3 CP command to copy objects from a bucket or a local directory. So that might be this one. All right. So let's just jump right into it. Let me go and pull up our Kali Linux. All right. So let's go ahead and try to create an S3 bucket. AWS S3 MB, and then we're going to do S3 : / and we're going to call that, let's call this bucket TCR SE S3 AWS CLI example. Let's go. Region is US East 1. And voila, we have our bucket. Let's say we do AWS S3 LS. What do we get? And there goes our bucket right here, TCR S3 SE S3 AWS CLI example. So now if we want to actually upload a file to that bucket, let's see how we can do that. So let's find a file on this computer. We have TCR scan output.txt. That is a file output that we had from when we were doing our live stream for ethical hacking. I think we can go ahead and try to upload that file to see what happens. So now let's see if we can just copy the file over, right? So let's do AWS S3. We're going to say, we have to specify the bucket that we want to upload to. So let's do it. Let's go ahead and let's take a look at the command to copy. Let's take a look at some examples to copy a file over to the bucket. So let's go down over to, let's see, move object from a bucket or a local directory. Let's do a copy. I don't want to move it, but let's do a copy. So let's see, are there any examples for the S3? So AWS S3 CP. So I think the target would be the path of our bucket. So if we want to do it from our computer to locally, I believe, let's take a look at some examples. We would say, so this is copying from one S3 bucket to another S3 bucket. Let's see, and this would be copying from a local file to a S3 bucket. So let's give that a try. Let's go over to, let's go back to Kali Linux, and we can do, all right, so let's do S3. We're going to say the copy, and we're going to go TCR scan output, and we're going to say we're going to copy that to the S3 colon / TCR / I wonder if autocomplete, nope, autocomplete does not work, SE dash S3 dash AWS dash CLI dash example, oops, too many, example. And that should, let's see if we call that TCR scan output S3 upload.txt. Let's see if that actually is able to upload our file. Subcommand error. Oh, maybe we need to do CP instead of copy. Yep, I think that's weird. I think it's instead of copy, it's CP. Apologize for that, CP. And look at that. Look at that. We have uploaded the file to the S3 bucket. So if we do AWS S3 ls, and then we can we do S3 colon / TCR SE S3 dash AWS dash CLI dash example. And look at that, there goes our file that we just uploaded. The file that we just uploaded is inside of the folder.
It's time to do.
The file that we just uploaded is inside of the folder. There we have it. So we're able to, so now what about, can we do this? Let's see, AWS S3 ls. Let's just do ls. And now, can we copy the file that is, what are these files? I don't know these. I don't want to mess with these files because they might be messing something else up. But what we can do, let's create another file, right? So let's do another folder, another bucket, S3, and then we're going to say make bucket, and we're going to call that S3 colon / and let's just go to, and I'll do example number 2. Let's see, an error occurred, invalid bucket name. Make bucket. Oh, maybe I can't use underscore. Let's do that. Make bucket. We have our bucket created. Now, what we're going to do, we are going to say, we're going to copy the file. So I'm going to go up to, all right, let's do this. So let's say AWS S3 CP for copy. And we're going to say TCR scan, or no, we're not going to do that. We're going to say S3 colon / TCR SE S3 AWS CLI dash example / and then the name of the file that we have in the folder is, let's see, what is the name of the file? It is TCR scan output S3 upload. TCR scan output S3 upload.txt. And we're going to copy that to S3 colon / TCR SE S3 AWS CLI example -2, and that should be able to copy it to another folder. Let's see, did we make a, so it says that doesn't exist. Did we make a mistake in, let me see, maybe I made a mistake in my naming convention. Let's take a look at that real quick. Where is my ls command? TCR. So let me see. So now if you go up a little bit, TCR scan. Oh, scan out. So I named it output. It's scan out. And what I'll do is in here, I will say TCR scan out copied to another S3 bucket.txt. All right. All right, now that's copied. So now if you do the AWS S3 ls command, and we're going to say S3 : TCR, we're just going to do -2. And now the other file is over there. So that is basically it using the CLI. It's basically when you're using the CLI for AWS, it's like you're doing it in your regular terminal with the copy, the ls. A lot of it is similar. The make bucket is different than making a directory inside of, because a bucket is different than a directory. But so keep that in mind. But that's basically it at the end of the day, right? So we're gonna leave that there, and we're going to wrap up today's show. I don't want to go too far into the, like, this is mainly for uploading a file, moving it, copying from local to a bucket. And you can also do the same in reverse, where you're saying copy from the bucket to my local directory. Simple as that. Not much to it. Hopefully this was helpful and informative. Give it a try. Let me know if you have tried to upload to S3 in any other ways that we've showed so far, via the console or as this video showed, via the AWS CLI. Let me know if this is helpful. Let me know, because I want you to start getting more involved into these cloud technologies, these DevOps processes, because as you get closer and closer to working in the field, these are essential tasks that are going to be happening. So I say, hey, let's get started with the very, very basic, and let's go from there, right? But with that being said, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another episode of Software Explorations, Concept and Overviews, hosted by yours truly, TechOTrough, where we are engineered to win. Do me a favor on your way out, if you haven't done so already, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know every time we go live and drop new content, as well as TechOTrough.dev. Sign up for exclusive content. We're doing interviews. We're doing activities in the Team TechOTrough Discord. I'm releasing videos from our federal employment overview meetup that we had, and I am going to be releasing another video about mindset and business concepts and discipline inside of the Patreon as well. All right. So also, lastly, do me a favor. I created a survey because I am looking to the tool that I use to help me with my content creation workflow. I am looking to expand that to make it available to other content creators to help reduce the amount of time it takes on things that are not as important to you, but they're still important to for the algorithm, your title, your description, your keywords, your thumbnails, how to optimize that workflow. I'm putting something together. I want to know from you, how is that process for you? How much time do you spend on it? And that way I want to help you optimize it. So I created a survey. It is pinned to the top of the chat of this premiere, as well as in the description. So if you can take 3 minutes to fill that out for me, probably less than 3 minutes, and I promise you at the end I will have a special gift for you if you can fill that out for me. All right. But that being said, I am out of here. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your Wednesday and a wonderful, wonderful rest of your week. TechOTrough, we are out.
We stand afraid of shadows cast by doubt, whispered fears of what they'll talk about. Got dreams that wait in line behind our pride, but courage lives where fear is set aside. So many dreams collected dust on shelves, scared to fail, so we hide our true selves. But life will pass and so will all those stairs. Nobody's watching as much as we think they care. So step into the light, don't fear the fall. The only limits here are built by walls. Tear them down and see what you deserve. You're stronger than the whispers you've heard. be scared to chase. But what if magic waits around the bend? Go grab it now, don't let the doubters win. We wear these masks to hide what we believe, but truth has power when worn on your sleeve. Reach for the stars, they're closer than they seem. Your path is clear, don't let them steal your dream. So step into the light, don't fear the fall. The only limits here are built by walls. Tear them down and seize what you deserve. You're stronger than the whispers you've heard. Got plans to make, but fear keeps you in place. Afraid to lose, or maybe scared to chase. But what if magic waits around the bend? Go grab it now, don't let the doubters win. We wear these masks to hide what we believe, but truth has power when worn on your sleeve. Reach for the stars, they're closer than they seem. Your path is clear, don't let them steal your dream.